Fennel seeds, known as saunf in many parts of the world, are more than just a mouth freshener. Especially during the hot summer months, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch of health benefits. Here's why you should consider adding fennel seeds to your daily summer routine. First, natural body cooler. Fennel seeds have natural cooling properties that help reduce body heat. In summer, they act as a natural coolant, helping regulate body temperature and preventing heat strokes. Tip: soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in water overnight and drink it in the morning for a cooling effect. 2. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. Overeating cold or fried food in summer can lead to indigestion. Fennel seeds are rich in volatile oils, like anethyl, that aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and soothe the gut. Best time: after meals as a mouth freshener or in fennel tea form. 3. Keeps you hydrated. Fennel water helps the body retain fluids and reduces excessive thirst, a common issue during the summer. Bonus: it also supports electrolyte balance when mixed with a pinch of salt and lemon juice. 4. Detoxifies the body. Fennel seeds act as a natural detoxifier by flushing out toxins through urine. This promotes better skin, less fatigue, and a cleaner system during the sweaty summer days. How to use: add 1 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds to warm water and drink it as detox water. 5. Eases menstrual discomfort. In summer, dehydration can make cramps worse. Fennel seeds are known for their antispasmodic properties that help relax muscles and ease menstrual cramps naturally. Pro tip: fennel tea twice a day can reduce bloating and pain. 6. Boosts metabolism and helps in weight loss. Fennel seeds boost metabolism and help control appetite. In summer, when people are more active and eat lighter meals, fennel can support natural weight loss. Try this: fennel plus cumin plus carom seed tea for fat burning. 7. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Fennel seeds are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which help strengthen the immune system, especially important in summer when viral infections are common due to heat exhaustion and dehydration. 8. Improves sleep and relieves stress. Hot weather can mess with sleep quality. Drinking fennel water before bed relaxes the body, calms the nerves, and promotes deeper sleep. It's a natural remedy to beat summer insomnia and restlessness,